TONY 4.1.7 is a free Python IDE designed for beginners, offering features that simplify coding and help users understand Python concepts. It provides an intuitive interface that is easy to use, making it an excellent choice for those new to programming. Variable exploration. TONY allows users to view how program and shell command affect Python variables, making it easier to understand variables behavior. Syntax highlighting and error detection. The IDE highlights syntax errors such as unclosed quote and parentheses, making them easy to spot and correct. Package management. TONY includes a simple and clean GUI for managing Python package, making it easier to install third-party libraries. Code completion. TONY offers code completion suggestion to speed up development and reduce errors. Scope explanation. Highlighting variables occurrence help user understand that the same name doesn't always mean the same variable, aiding in spotting typos. System shell. TONY provides a beginner-friendly system shell for installing extra package and learning to handle Python on the command line. Kita ka na diyan. Tapos ako siguro diyan.